Litecoin, often dubbed the silver to Bitcoin's gold, emerged in 2011 from the innovative mind of Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. Lee envisioned a cryptocurrency that would complement Bitcoin, offering faster transaction times and a more accessible entry point for miners. Litecoin was designed to be a lighter, faster version of Bitcoin, hence its name. It quickly gained traction as a practical cryptocurrency for everyday transactions. Since its inception, Litecoin has consistently ranked among the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, solidifying its place as a significant player in the digital asset landscape. Litecoin shares many fundamental similarities with Bitcoin, utilizing a decentralized blockchain to record transactions and relying on a proof-of-work consensus mechanism for security. However, it differentiates itself through key technical variations that contribute to its distinct profile. Litecoin's journey has been marked by both periods of steady growth and moments of volatility, mirroring the broader cryptocurrency market. Despite the inherent fluctuations, Litecoin has demonstrated resilience and adaptability, evolving alongside the ever-changing technological landscape. At its core, Litecoin operates on a blockchain, a decentralized and immutable ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures transparency and security, as any alteration to the blockchain would require consensus from a majority of the network participants. Litecoin employs a proof-of-work consensus mechanism called Scrypt. Scrypt, while similar to Bitcoin's SHA-256, is designed to be more memory-intensive, making it more resistant to specialized mining hardware. This design choice aimed to promote a more decentralized mining landscape, allowing individuals with standard computers to participate in the process. Litecoin has embraced several key technological advancements to enhance its functionality and scalability. The implementation of segregated witness, or SegWit, in 2017 increased the network's transaction throughput, paving the way for a higher volume of transactions. Furthermore, Litecoin's integration with the Lightning Network enables near-instant and low-cost transactions. This second-layer solution allows users to create payment channels off the main blockchain, settling transactions almost instantly. In 2022, Litecoin activated MimbleWimble extension blocks, or MWEB, a privacy-enhancing feature that allows users to obfuscate transaction details, enhancing user anonymity and fungibility. While Litecoin shares Bitcoin's core principles of decentralization and security, it distinguishes itself through several key features. Litecoin's block time, the average time it takes to add a new block to the blockchain, is approximately 2.5 minutes, significantly faster than Bitcoin's 10 minutes. This faster block time translates to quicker transaction confirmations, making Litecoin more suitable for everyday purchases. Litecoin's total supply is capped at 84 million coins, 4 times that of Bitcoin's 21 million. This larger supply, combined with Litecoin's lower price point, makes it a more accessible option for those seeking entry into the cryptocurrency market. Furthermore, Litecoin boasts lower transaction fees compared to Bitcoin, particularly during periods of high network congestion. These lower fees make Litecoin an attractive option for microtransactions and remittances. As of early 2025, Litecoin maintains its position as a prominent cryptocurrency, consistently ranking within the top 20 by market capitalization. Its price has experienced significant fluctuations over the years, reflecting the broader market trends and investor sentiment. However, Litecoin has consistently demonstrated resilience, recovering from market downturns and maintaining its relevance. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and Litecoin is not immune to these fluctuations. Factors such as regulatory developments, technological advancements, and overall market sentiment can significantly impact Litecoin's price. Despite these inherent uncertainties, Litecoin's strong fundamentals, active development community, and growing adoption suggest a positive long-term outlook. Continued development and adoption of privacy-enhancing features like MimbleWimble could further bolster Litecoin's appeal, attracting users seeking enhanced financial privacy. Furthermore, Litecoin's focus on low-cost transactions and integration with the Lightning Network positions it as a viable option for everyday payments and microtransactions, potentially driving further adoption. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, Litecoin's ability to adapt and innovate will be crucial to its long-term success.